about 160 square feet involved in this thing. That might be an understatement. Good morning, we're here on Ocean Road in Narragansett. We're finally going to install that little cupola roof. He came to the shop and sold me prefab. The first thing we're going to do is get the valley set. I'm just transferring my lines down so I know where to cut it and bend it. Now we just remark it and trim it to fit. Now we're just going to cut up the center of the valley to where the 2 points intersected. Alright, now we're going to hold it on the line and bend it over the edge. I want a wooden mallet, I'll finish bending it the rest of the way. Alright, this is the receiver strip we're going to use to hold the panels in the valley. Hold the edge on a 2-inch mark. Alright, now I'm going to put the panel in. It's going to lock right into our valley receiver. I'm going to vice grip it to the clip we put in the top. Now I just put some clips on the side. I just cut about the center of the clip. Fold one half over. Crimp it with my pliers. And that holds the edge. Alright, now we're just going to install the trims on the sides. All you got to do is hook it over the top, hold it flush with the other piece. If the carpenters are good, you can line it up with their plumb cut and just trace your cut line. Put our piece back on. Alright, now that all the trim's installed, we can start putting the caps on. And we set one end in. Just keep working it down. Take a pair of tongs and squeeze it nice and tight. Then after we use a tool that they call a button punch. Flip the tool over and come back at it from the other side. Alright, and that's how we take 160 square feet of flat copper and turn it into a, see, we have 4 panels per side. 4 and 4 is 8, 16, 32 panels for an elegant little roof that'll last a lifetime.